So I'm going to start this style off with freshly washed hair. If you want to see how I slicked my hair down, I'm going to link the video down below. But I'm going to be using Miyi or Miyi's hair for this tutorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the hair around my own hair with a bobby pin and secure it in place like that. And I'm going to be using two of the Miyi Hair, I don't know how to pronounce it, but the bundles. I'm going to be using two of the bundles and wrapping them around the base of my own hair, and again securing it with a bobby pin. So this is the fullness that I have with two bundles. This hair is so pretty. Like, look at it, oh my god. And I also extra and got like, I think it was like 18 or 20 inch, I don't know. But anyway, I'm showing you now that I have 3 braids that I separated my own hair into, the ponytail. So I have 3 braids, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually combine the bundle hair with each braid. So for the 3 braids, I have 3 sections of bundle hair, and I'm going to braid it down, basically braid my hair into the bundle hair. So I'm going to secure that with a ponytail holder. And next what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wrap some of this gold cord. I got this from the beauty supply store. I think a lot of people use it for like their box braids. But I'm just wrapping it around the top base part of the ponytail. And then what I'm doing is I'm poking it through the braid so that it kind of like peeks through it and gives it a little accent color, you know. So this really makes it look like a goddess type braid. It's so pretty. I love it. I love how it came out. And if you want to be like extra, you can even use like another color or 2 of the cords, do like extra wrapping. And I wrapped it at the end of the ponytail as well. Right now I'm taking out a few curls so it looks a little bit more messy, not too messy, but just kind of fluffing it. And that's it. I'm just putting some gold accessories in. That's it, y'all. Messy goddess type braid. I'm gonna be like fixing up my edges because they got a little messy with me doing this hairstyle. But this hairstyle is really good for like if you're going to prom, if you are going to a wedding or you're in a wedding, if you want to just look like a goddess for a day. Like, this is just super pretty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.